What's up, guys? Matt here, RollingHeavyMagazine. Door is shut and we are on our way for an adventure this morning. We're getting picked up by our buddy today and we have a little parts run we have to go get with him. It's early Sunday morning. Haven't had coffee yet. Need coffee. Very important. But, I mean, I'll get up early for a van parts run any day. That sounds like a good time to me. So let's go see who we got here and what we're going to be doing and all that good stuff. Hey, Wowie. Good morning. What are we going to get?
You better get some cool van parts, man.
Bitchin'. See you guys there.
45 minutes, baby!
Close this.
Hello.
Oh, there you go.
Okay, let's see here. Boom. Oh, here we go. Okay. Oh yeah. Okay. Well, fuck, I got him. All right. Thank you, Mark. All right. Cool. All right. Well, we got the parts.
Sweet.
Via cell phone from Mark. Thanks, Mark. So I guess we can just get him out of here. And...
All right, what do you got?
Let's see what we got in here. Woo!
Oh, you got a chunk.
Okay, got a nice greasy third member.
Nice.
Yeah, that's good. That's one way to open them, right?
I'll get them out.
Okay.
Couple
And
axles.
we got the gold.
That's what we needed. Rad. Mission accomplished.
Yep. Here we go. We're back on the road with this one.
Nice.
And then this one one's for safekeeping.
Because you never know.
All right.
Sweet.
We scored. We scored, bro. The longest one.
But you never change for sure. You try to own me by lying and stealing. I know what you're doing, dragging across the floor. Oh, but you wanna see me going down in flames. It'll never happen, baby. Yeah. Oh, but you wanna see me going down in flames. It'll never happen, baby. Yeah.
All right, so here we are in Ventura, California. We're at the new Big Ron's headquarters. It's supposed to be pretty cool in there. Let's go see if we can get a quick tour. What do you think, Wowie?
Big Rondos. Let's go.
Let's go. Let's go knock on the door and see what's going on. Wonder if he's up. He might not be. What's going on here? Yeah, this is it. Cool. Let's knock the door.
Hello?
Hey, what's up, man?
Oh, what's up, dudes?
Hey.
Come in.
Go on in, man. You go first.
Let's do this.
See if we get a quick tour of this place. Okay, and that was a quick tour. Pretty rad. Thanks for the tour, man.
No problem.
Ready to go, Wowie?
That was awesome.
Let's hit it. Thanks, man. Thanks for that quick tour.
No problemo, man.
That was great.
Well, that was good.
That was fun as fuck.
All right, guys. Well, Matt rolling heavy, Wowz Garage. We are gonna get on back on the road to LA. Honestly, like I'm not gonna go time lapse on this because you don't need to see any more driving time lapse footage. So we're gonna go ahead and cut it out now. Appreciate you guys for watching. If you can, please like, share, and subscribe. It helps us grow the channel. More to come. Thanks for watching. See you. Bye.
Till next time.
Woo!